I'm Rebecca and this is Meadowhill Home. I will bring to you home tours, DIYs, trash to treasures, and even my monthly farmhouse collaboration with others who love all things farmhouse. So come along with me. In this episode, I will share with you a little bit different type of video for you today. I want to share my review on this product. It's Rejuvenate, and it says that it's a no scrub tile and grout cleaner. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, this is the worst area in my bathroom, and of course, since we moved in, I have cleaned the floor. But unfortunately, there's a little bit of staining in the grout just in front of the commode, and that's just the worst area. I don't mean to gross anybody out, but so I went ahead and sprayed just a little extra in that area there, and it says to leave it on and let it dry, and then come back and mop it up the next day. Unfortunately, they're telling you to buy their a mop to use for this, and I don't have one, and I do have a Libman that I will use, and let's see how that's going to work. Now, this is not a paid review whatsoever. This is just my own personal review, and if this is something that works and it's that wonderful, how easy will it be to keep the tile floors clean? The two bathrooms in this house have the same tile, and how easy would that be just to spray, let it dry, wait 24 hours, and mop it up. So I found this at Lowe's for $5.98, and it says that it's safe for kids and pets. I'm all about this product being safe. Unfortunately, I don't have any little kids or pets that's going to be down licking on my bathroom floor. After applying this cleaner, I did wait 24 hours, and in my mop bucket, I have 1 gallon of good hot clean water, and then this is just my Libman mop, and I'm going to use this just strictly on my bathrooms. I like to make sure I take everything out of the bottom of my linen closet and mop in that as well. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get this mopped up. I just want to say that this was the first application. Is Rejuvenate No Scrub Tile and Grout Everyday Cleaner. For the first application, I'm very pleased. It didn't take up the really tough stains that I was looking for, but it did work on them. I can tell a big difference. And it says that it improves with each use. This is just my own personal review of this product. And of course, this country girl is all about finding an easier way to clean. I used to get down on my hands and knees and scrub my bathroom floors, and I'm not able to do that anymore, and that's no fun anyway. I am really pleased with this. Amazon carries it. Lowe's has it. It's just pennies under $6. What I sprayed in this size of bathroom is very little. The spray nozzle sort of sprays a little wide. I sprayed it on, let it dry, waited 24 hours. And of course you've seen my mop water, and it really brought up a lot of dirt and grime off of this floor. So with this product, I have to say that, you know, I'm sort of sold on this for cleaning my tile floors. This country girl is all about finding an easier way to do some cleaning. So, of course, stay tuned for all those other reviews that I have in store for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode of Meadowhill Home and you want to see more episodes like this, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and ring that bell. My name is Rebecca, and this is Meadowhill Home.